Hey, what's going on, guys? David O with you guys today. Thank you for joining me. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is David O and I talk about affiliate marketing, passive income, ways to make money online. Today we're going to be talking about how much does it cost to get into Legendary Marketer? What are their prices? Okay, let me just show you here. Let me just take you here to the bottom of my screen. Let me exit out of here. And let's go ahead and start up here. So the very first place that you're going to want to start off is going to be what is called the 15-day challenge. This is going to be 15 days and every day you're going to learn a new challenge and some new information. This is going to be the video sales letter right here, and as you come down you're going to see what they're going to give you from each day, from secrets to starting a high ticket business, building a business under 30 minutes. They're going to talk to you about lead generations, copyright sales, so forth. Top of that, they're going to give you bonuses on high ticket business plans, Facebook ads. They're going to show you how to do a Facebook ad, what to write, how to write it, when to write it, email templates, video scripts, phone, pretty much all of this for $7. So this is the first place that you're going to go to. You're going to start at the 15-day challenge for $7. Okay, once you get into the affiliate program, so this is just some other people that have had success, from young generation all the way to the older crowd. Everybody has their own story. If they lost their job, they got bankrupt, whatever, everybody has a story to tell. So you see that there's a lot more reviews. All right, here it is. This is the page. So once you get registered into the 15-day challenge, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to start off from obviously day one on the left hand side, and each day you're going to open up another day, and like I said, whatever what's going on that day is what you're going to be doing. So this is where you start off. It's going to be $7 to enter, and honestly, don't really worry about it, guys. If you guys are worried about the money, you have a 30-day money back guarantee on this. $7, but you have 30 days on it. If you're worried about starting but you want somebody to walk with you, you have a business advisor. You can see here, you schedule a business advisor, and even afterwards you still have one. I still talk to mine for information and concerns or whatever questions that I have. I still talk to him about it whenever I get lost or I need help and stuff like that. So these are the products that they offer. So you have the Marketers Club. On the left hand side you have Marketers Club, and these are just more videos and normal people that's been having success but specialized in a specific category. For example, we have a person that knows YouTube, how to get leads, how to get followers, subscribers. They're going to show you how to go and what to do on that side. We have another person that also does that's just a guru in TikTok. So he knows how to grab your leads, and it's down here, the 15-second lead, free leads. I think it's like only $1 to get in, $1 to buy, and it's just videos on showing you how to attract people, because you only have 15 to 60 seconds to grab the person's attention before they just scroll. So they show you how to grab their attention. The ebooks, $2, right? Now once you start getting into it and you want to get detailed into your specific category, for example, like I'm an affiliate, I bought the business blueprint. These are about $2,500, but they give you pretty much everything that you need to know and need to do to become an affiliate. From day one, how to set up a sales funnel. I don't even know what a sales funnel was like 4 weeks ago, and I've already made money through there, right? They show you how to set it up, what it is, how to connect your email, autoresponders. They show you what places you got to go to. For example, ClickBank, JV, Zoo, Bounty Hunter. No, wait, it's not Bounty Hunter, Max Bounty. Anyways, they show you all those places on how to do it, what to do. So they're not just promoting Legendary Marketer, they're showing you how to become a marketer in different categories. So my affiliates right here, you can kind of see my advisor. And so how they actually work is what they call is a value ladder. So you start off on the bottom here, and of course it gets you into the program with $7, right? $7, and then after that, if you want to upgrade and start purchasing and get some more information on how to get traffic sources, right? Traffic University, how to get leads, how to set up, how to spend a one-on-one consulting with Dave Sharp, the CEO, the founder. So of course the prices go up, but don't actually look at it like it's a pyramid scheme. They got you kind of thing. You know, courses is a shortcut, right? It's a shortcut for you to learn what you learn in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. where it would actually take you 6 months to learn if you actually try to do it on your own, or trying to learn on like free platforms like on YouTube and stuff like that. The biggest key is here they piece everything together for you. That is the key. Of course, you're gonna learn how to do Facebook ads from this video, how to present yourself, and how to record yourself from this video. But the thing is, how is putting the pieces together. So just a quick video on showing you what it is. If you guys are interested in joining the Legendary Marketer program and become an affiliate, or even taking the 15-day challenge, the link, there's going to be a link on the bottom here on the description. Join it, become an affiliate. If you want to become an affiliate, they're going to show you how to do everything from step to step to step. So honestly, I know you guys can do it if you guys put the work in there. It's not easy. I didn't say it was going to be easy. You have to put the work into it, but if you put the work into it and you follow them, I know you guys are going to do it. You guys can do it. I know you guys are going to succeed. Just like me, I'm a everyday normal person. I'm a real person. So first commission I made was like 19 cents. I could even show you right here. Watch, my desktop is down here. I actually take screenshots of them. This is my first commission when I made back in August 26, 19 cents. I was actually really proud. I know it's only 19 cents, but I was proud because I'm actually social proof that I've made money online just by doing this. So, and a month, it's like 2 days later, September 18, I've been able to make $100 in the last month after I got out of the program. So you actually see results from that. So I didn't make any commissions the last 7 days or yesterday, just because I was actually out of town working. But I didn't have a computer. But you see that there's actual proof in there. So my first commission, 19 cents a month, not even, like less than a month, 3.5 weeks or something like that, I'm already at $100 a month. Okay, so this is just social proof. I want to show you it is social proof. It is possible. I know you guys can do it. You guys are going to succeed as long as you put the work in. Okay, yeah, so just a quick thing on how much it is, what's going on. If you guys have any questions, please write in the comments there. If you guys have any questions or concerns, message me, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys?